first of all, you said you haven't ever seen a bloom like this on your hydrangeas. So few of us have because we had that mild winter. So now everyone's like, oh my God, hydrangeas, I need hydrangeas. But don't be attached, because probably next year, if we have, if we have a cold winter again, like we normally do, you won't get them. But anyway, meanwhile, this dead stuff, where you could just crack it off, we'll just clean it up a little bit like this. And that's it. They're just poking up here. So, but otherwise, don't touch this. Just leave it. But cut some of these off and bring them inside in a vase, because they're just here. You're not even up here. You know what I mean? They're doing great. But you can just chuck that down there, cut a few off, bring it inside, enjoy them, and then maybe they'll do this again next year. Maybe not. They probably won't, though. Let's face it.
We're done.